Here's a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, air conditioning, mirror-mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V8 engine. Kelley Blue Book explains whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy-duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy-duty truck. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.